March 2026 is here, and if you're planning to travel soon, this might be the best time to book. TravelUp has just launched its March 2026 deals, and there are multiple promo codes that can help you save on flights, hotels, and holiday packages. In today's video, I'll break down every active TravelUp promotion so you know exactly which code to use and when to book. Let's start with the spring season travel deals. Use code SS15 and save up to $15 on bookings over $3,000. This deal runs from March 1st to March 31st, 2026. It applies to flight and hotel bookings, making it perfect for larger travel plans. Next up, we have the Easter break flights deals. Use code EASTER15 and save $15 on bookings over $300. This is ideal if you're planning a short Easter weekend getaway. The promotion is also valid from March 1st to March 31st, 2026. Now let's talk about something special for families. The UK Mother's Day travel deals allow you to use code MOM15 and save $15 on bookings over $300. This promotion runs from March 1st to March 15th, so this one ends earlier than the others. If you're looking to travel long haul, check out the Australia travel deals. Use code AUS15 and get $15 off bookings over $300. This runs throughout March and applies to flight and hotel bookings. Students, this one is for you. With the student travel deals, use code STUDENT15 to save $15 on bookings over $300. Whether you're planning a spring break trip or visiting friends abroad, this can help reduce your travel cost. Now let's move to the bigger holiday packages. The TravelUp holiday deals give you up to 40% off, plus an extra $60 on bookings over $1,299. Use code TU60 before March 31st. This is one of the strongest offers if you're booking a full holiday package. For Europe lovers, there's also a Europe Holidays deal. Use code TU30 to save up to 40% plus $30 extra on bookings over $599. This is perfect for short European escapes or multi-city tours. All these promotions are active during March 2026, but some have minimum booking requirements. Make sure you check the spending threshold before applying the code. If you're planning to travel this spring, waiting might mean missing these discounts. You can find all active TravelUp deals through the link in the description. Compare flights, hotels, and packages, then apply the promo code that fits your booking. March is one of the busiest booking seasons due to Easter and spring travel demand. The earlier you book, the better your chances of securing the best fares. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll continue sharing the latest travel deals and promo codes to help you save more on your trips. Check the description below to access the current TravelUp March 2026 deals before they expire. Happy travels and smart bookings. And